Hello, good morning. My name is Bibek Lama. I am from Kabre, Nepal. I am 27 years old. Uh, my education my education qualification is school leaving certificate pass. I am a cook.
So
I
what
work.
kind of cook you are, sir?
Uh, I am Continental cook.
So
I work 4 years in Dubai as a cook in Hotel Yatana.
very nice.
So now I'm going to show how to make a burger.
Mhm.
So this is our bun. I cut already. This one ready. This is our ingredients. Here we have mayo and ketchup sauce for the burger. Here is our patty. Here is our cheese. So now I'm going to show how to make burger. First, we put mayo. So after that we can put lettuce also if we want. Otherwise, if we don't have, we no need to put. So this is our lettuce. After that we will put some ingredients like cucumber also. We can put first patty also. So I'm going to put cucumber. After that some onion slice. After that some tomato slice. After that I will put patty, chicken patty. After that I will put cheese. And after that I will put some ketchup on the top of bun so that it will make more tasty. So like this our burger will be ready.
Now this is
And
ready, sir.
after that we can serve like this also normally. This is our burger.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir. Have a great day.